Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser for your ULEFONE Note 13P. So in order to do this, first let's open our Google Play Store. Here find Microsoft Edge. Select this app and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. Now let's begin the setup. So sign in to turn on synchronization. You can add account or sign in right here. You can also skip it by pressing on sign in later. Set up for your data sharing preferences. So right here you can accept or not or learn more. Let's click confirm. Set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. Let's do it. Select the Edge and set as default. From now on, the browser will be ready, so let's open any website. And as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.